Now let's create a demo application, a demo app using applet, in which we are going to use multiple AWT components, right? Add कर दें आपने आने. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to have a text box. एक text box આપણે લેસી, પછી अलग अलग choice લેસી, એટલે કે એક choice લેસી, એક list લેસી. Then we would have the radio buttons and a button, right? So let's have a text field, right? Let's say txt name or txt city. This is the first component that I need. Then I need a button, right? bgn add. Then what I need is a choice. Choice is cmb city, right? Then I need what is lst cities, right? Okay, we need to import the class which is AWT. Then again what do we need is the list of means you need the radio buttons like this. Let me declare them. Checkbox chk list chk combo. Okay, chk1, chk2 and chk both. I'll explain what they're about. Then what is I need checkbox group, right? cbg. Now let's initialize them in init method. So here is the init method. I don't need this, so let's initialize one by one. txt city is equal to new txt city. The number of columns are 15. Then what do you need is the checkboxes. chk both is equal to new chk box add to list and combo box. List box and combo box both item છે બંનેની અંદર એડ કરવી છે. Then chk1 is equal to new add to list box and finally હજી એક બાકી છે chk2, right, is equal to new add to combo box. So it's ready, is equal to new chk herein also. So 4 components have been designed, like initialized થઈ ગયા છે. Now let's add them to our applet, right? txt city, then add chk both, no not both but પહેલા 1 લઈ લઈ. Then add chk2, then add chk both. Now let's see the GUI how it looks like, right? It is like this, but these are the part of what it should be like radio button. તો આપણે boolean state by default આનું છે true રાખીએ છીએ, and the group નું નામ જે છે checkbox group જે છે cbg, because આપણે radio button choice જોઈએ છે, checkbox નથી લેવા. તો આ બધા જે છે પછી એ કાંઈ લેતા જઈએ false and cbg by default 1 વાળું છે સિલેક્ટ થઈને આવશે false and cbg. So let's check it again. Oh, it's not done yet because we have not initialized the checkbox. cbg is equal to new checkbox group. group જે છે આપણે initialize નતું કર્યું. So now it is ready, right? 1 2 and 3. Now let's initialize the button, right? btn add is equal to new button, right? Add item, and let's check it. No UI કેવું આવશે. Add btn add. Let's run it again. So it is something આપણે આવું જ કંઈક જોઈએ છે. along with હવે જે આપણે જોશે award, the choice and the list. So let's આપણે see one by one initialize કરીએ so that we can understand the choice, right? Choice CMB છે કા CMB cities is equal to new choice. blank હશે આપણે આઇટમ્સ છે બધી રન ટાઈમ એડ કરશે. lst cities is equal to new list, right? Let's add them after the button. lst city and add cmb cities. So it's almost done now except the event allocation. See, isn't it? We need to set the number of lines we want with least box. Let's have it 10. Yes, it's good now. And then I close kar dai. Now let's add the event allocation. So let's add the event allocation. See, we need to let me show you something. We need to add items once user clicks the button. જ્યારે બટન માં ક્લિક કરે આમાંથી જે બી ચોઈસ સિલેક્ટ કરેલી હશે એ આઇટમ છે either list box or combo box ની અંદર એડ થવી જોઈએ. So once user clicks the button, we need to decide which of the item is selected. On the basis either list box માં or the combo box માં item આપણે એડ કરશે. So event allocation છે બટન સાથે આપણે કરવાનું છે. So implements action listener, right? Only one thing that we need is action listener. And let's add the method. Any method આવી ગઈ. btn add dot add action listener, which is in the current class only. So now here is the place I need to decide which of the option is selected, the check 1 true or both. So if chk 1 dot get selectable get state is equal to true, means if the one is selected, so what we need to do કે list box ની અંદર item add કરવી છે. So lst cities dot add, simply use the add method. ક્યાંથી item આવશે txt city dot get text dot to string. So it's done now, right? Then we need to check the another option, else if it is not selected, then what if the 2 is selected? If it is, then cities માં બી value જે છે add કરવાની, sorry not cities but cmb cities, lst cities nahi but cmb cities. And finally if the both, if chk both is selected, then what to do, city lst માં બી આવશે and combo માં બી આવશે. And else ની કંઈ જરૂર જ નથી, રાઈટ? કેમ કે કોઈ ચોથું ઓપ્શન આપણે સેટ જ નથી કરેલું. લેટ્સ ચેક ઇટ. let's say જામનગર add to list box, so it is added to the list box. Add to the combo box, so it is there here in combo box, isn't it? Then let's say Mumbai, add to list box and combo box. So here it is there in list box as well as in the combo box. So it is the way we can use this AWD component in a meaningful manner.